so it is autumn and we have some evening primrose right here. It's turned red. If you follow the stem, you can see that down there it's already growing little plants for next year. The leaves are very red. So all that needs to be done is stem. It's cut off and it's ready for next year. These will die back anyway. And next year's flowers will grow from these new little rosettes. A pretty striking red color. And then these rosettes are pretty much evergreen, so you can pick up all the leaves that have fallen off of them, or you can leave them as mulch, up to you. That's all you have left is little rosettes right there ready to grow for next year. And they'll still stay green like that throughout the winter, under the snow and everything, and then in the summer you'll have little yellow bells.